The 2026 Porsche Motorhome is more than simply an RV. This car's curved carbon fiber exterior makes it simple to recognize it as a special sort. From the instantly recognizable headlamp shape to the smooth, pop-out door handles, its aerodynamic, low-slung profile and distinctive Porsche design language are completely reflected in its stunning appearance. This is a performance, not merely a display. A strong, all-electric powertrain with 2 motors under the body generates an incredible 950 horsepower. This luxurious home on wheels can go from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in an amazing 4.9 seconds because to the powerful EV system's rapid torque. With the speed and economy you would anticipate from a Porsche, this campervan delivers on its promise of adventure thanks to a new solid-state battery. You are immediately immersed in a world of cutting-edge technology as soon as you enter the cockpit. Along with a 360-degree autonomous driving interface, the dashboard has a single, sweeping OLED monitor that shows your speed and remaining range. Based on the 918 Spyder, the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel features integrated navigation and media systems. Without ever taking your hands off the wheel, you may use voice commands driven by AI to find yourself, control the living area, and change the temperature. Even the longest drives seem easy thanks to the driver's seat's complete computerized adjustability and the massaging sports seat. The living area outside the cockpit is a modestly opulent gem. High-tech smart glasses that can be covered for privacy or adjusted to provide a panoramic view of your surroundings adorn the interior walls. A dining table that effortlessly folds into the wall and a sofa that electrically retracts to free up additional floor space are 2 examples of modular furniture. Natural wood on all surfaces, brushed metal, and soft vegan leather create a luxurious and peaceful ambience. A cutting-edge sound system turns the whole RV into a private performance area, and motorized cabinets and hidden compartments keep the area clutter-free. The master bedroom provides a peaceful retreat for when you need to relax. In a quiet spot is a king-sized bed with an orthopedic mattress. A good night's sleep is guaranteed by the bedroom's soundproof walls. A 55-inch OLED screen at the foot of the bed is ideal for viewing movies at night since it can be retracted. When the smart glass windows are in the starlight mode, a realistic night sky is projected onto the ceiling, providing a calm atmosphere. The RV's high-tech sophistication is most noticeable in the bathroom. A large walk-in shower's temperature, pressure, and even steam function may be precisely controlled using a computerized control panel. The vanity has an illuminated mirror with built-in facial recognition, and the toilet is a heated, self-cleaning device. Each surface is made of a smooth, seamless composite material that embodies Porsche's unique combination of functionality and style. It is not only visually beautiful but also very easy to clean and maintain. Because it combines design and functionality, the galley kitchen is a chef's paradise. A small, deep basin sink with a retractable 2-burner induction cooktop and an intelligent faucet sits beneath a sleek black granite countertop. The cabinets are complemented by the refrigerator and full-sized freezer. Combining a microwave and convection oven makes it simple to prepare delectable meals, and clever storage solutions keep all of your tools and utensils handy but out of sight. The Porsche Motorhome's kitchen is the perfect illustration of how elegant style can be appreciated without compromising comfort.